It's Wednesday afternoon and time for us to turn our attention to legal matters. This is part of our commitment to putting Southeast Texas first. It's the time when we ask the judge to get answers to your questions. We are joined this afternoon by Judge Randy Shelton there at the 279th District Court in Jefferson County. Judge, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Appreciate you making time for us. This first question from a viewer who says 6 months ago, a local pool company driver with a minor in the truck ran over my gas meter, nearly missing an oak tree. He wound up in my ditch. I didn't witness the accident, but neighbors said he seemed to be on something. A neighbor tried to pull him out of the ditch before the police arrived. He was arrested and taken to jail. I filed a claim with his out-of-state insurance company, and they declined my claim because the owner refused to talk to them. My request to discuss the matter was also ignored. So they say, what are their options? And could they put a lien on this company for damages done?
Well, first option is notify your homeowner's insurance company if you have one. Even though a vehicle was involved, your property was damaged, your home. So they should, even your insurance company should pay for the damage and then go after the driver's company. If you end up paying a deductible, they might be able to get that for you too. Second option is you can hire an attorney. You can sue the company. If the judge gives you a judgment, you can file the judgment, which would cause a lien on certain properties of the company, or you can even get a constable to go and seize non-exempt assets, if any, to satisfy the judgment.
Wow. All right. So it sounds like there's a very set formula these people could file, option A or option B.
Yes.
Okay. This next person is a viewer who says, I'm a renter. I am paying rent, but I have mold in my home and my landlord won't release me from my lease. She said if I move before my lease is up, she will take me to court and that the judge is on her side. I got approved for a voucher, but I can't use it because my lease is not up, even though my kids and I are living in an unsafe health hazard. I feel stuck with no help. What should I do?
Well, first of all, officially notify the landlord in writing of the conditions and your concerns. Take photographs, even if you can, get an estimate about what it would take to correct the situation. If your landlord refuses to make these repairs, you have the same three options that we've talked about several times.
Yeah.
You can make the repairs and deduct it from your rent, or you can break the lease, or you can even sue to have the owner make the repairs. But you'll need to consult with an attorney first.
And as you note, make that initial complaint in writing, kind of about what your grievances are. Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
This final question is from someone who's caught up in the legal system here in Jefferson County. They wrote in to say, are Jefferson County jail detainees' constitutional rights suspended because a judge says the jail is overcrowded?
Now, the constitutional rights are not affected by the jail population, no matter what.
Yeah.
So I'm sure there's more to the story, but that's all I can comment on at this point.
Have you heard anything about the jail being overcrowded? Or is there something we're missing? Not that you know of?
No,
okay.
Not that I know of.
All right. Well, we appreciate the insight. Judge, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too, Jordan.
Thanks again. If you've got questions for the judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form that you can fill out right there.